Denise Handbags here, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here or if you are a returning viewer and you enjoy watching handbag unboxings, bag reveals, accessories, and a little bit of fashion, please make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button, guys. I'm coming back to share with you guys another unboxing. Now this one is from Michael Kors, and once again this is a part of my birthday haul for the month of July, and I finally got in the accessory portion of this unboxing, and I want to go ahead and share with you guys what I did pick up from Michael Kors. Now I guess you could say this was a part of their summer sale as well too, and this particular bag, I definitely already have one of these in my collection, but when I saw this new color pop up on the site, I was just watching it to see when it goes on sale because I knew I wanted to pick it up. Now, I have a color that I think is either going to be spot on or close to a bag that I have in Coach already, and this is why I decided that I wanted to pick this bag up. But I don't have the accessories to match my Coach bag, so I made sure to pick up some accessories from Michael Kors to match my bag. So let me go ahead and share with you guys what I picked up. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the SLGs. Alright guys, so the first thing that I did pick up is one of my compact wallets. Alright, so let's get into it. Oh yeah, this color is gorgeous, y'all. Now, I don't know if this will match my large city tote that I have in from Coach in the color Honeycomb. But towards the end of the video, I'll pull that bag and see if it is a spot on match or if it's like a shade lighter or darker. Alright, so that is how it looks in the inside. You do get 2 card slots and an ID window and a slip pocket on this side, and then 4 card slots in a slip pocket here and 1 here as well. And you also get your money fold area. And then once you snap it closed here on the back, on the front, you do get the raised Michael Kors logo along with a zipper compartment. And this zipper compartment I love because you see the divider there in the middle where you can add additional cards or folded up cash or coins in here. So I love the organization in this nice compact wallet. This is called the Jet Set Travel Medium Bifold Zip Coin Case Wallet in leather. And that is a tag in case anybody wants to see it. So this is my first item that I picked up. So this is the Jet Set Small Convertible Pouch Wristlet in leather. And once again, it is in the color Honey Wheat. And I absolutely love these wristlets from Michael Kors, as well as the Coach ones, like the corner zip wristlets. And I see that Michael Kors is starting to bring out a lot more versatile SLGs as well. So kudos to Michael Kors for that, because I guess they realizing that they can't be the only brand that doesn't give us SLGs to carry in our bags. So here is a look at her up close. She does have the raised Michael Kors logo on the front in gold. And this is a look at the back. She has no outside pockets. She just have the piping going around the wristlet. And then here on the wristlet is where you can detach it on one side, but it does not detach on the other side. This is just what it looks like in the inside. You do get a leather Michael Kors patch on that back slip pocket. And here is the slip pocket. And then it does have that tan lining in the inside as well. So absolutely love that. And I usually always use these as some form of a catch-all or medicine pouch, tech pouch inside of my bag. And here is the tag in case anybody wants to see the tag. All right. So those were my 2 SOGs that I picked up to go with my bag. All right, guys. So I did already cut the tape on the bag. So here is the box. And as you guys can see, this is a big box. All right. And that is how she came packaged. Y'all, your girl is excited. Yes. So if you could not already tell, I did tell you guys that I wanted another Grayson, and I wasn't sure what color I wanted. Now, I'm not going to lie, I was struggling between that navy and the luggage color, but then when I saw the honey wheat pop up, I was like, let me get this honey wheat, y'all. Y'all know I like some bright colors, so I definitely had to pick this up. That is the sticker on the outside. So let's go ahead and get into her. Now, I do love the Grayson from Michael Kors, and I am so excited that they brought the Grayson back. Now, I will say this is probably the 3.0, maybe even the 4.0 version of the Grayson, because this is definitely not the original Grayson from Michael Kors. But I gotta say, I do like the updated version as well. Like I told you guys before in my last unboxing for my Grayson and the signature print, that I just wish they kept the size the same, because the pink Grayson that I do have in my collection, it is a lot larger than this. This would be a medium Grayson compared to the pink one that I have. So I do wish that they kept the size the same, but I do love some of the changes that they did make to the Grayson. So let's go ahead and start pulling off the rest of the wrapping, because she is definitely saying, because I love this color, y'all. This is a really gorgeous spring or summer color. So I definitely will be keeping her in my collection. So here is a up close of what she looks like in the front. That is the side, the back, the other side, and the bottom. So as you guys can see, she does come with all gold hardware. She has the raised Michael Kors logo here in the front. She also has the logo MK hang tag here on the front. She has these gorgeous gold studs here on the handle in the front and in the back. And she has these beautiful gold O-rings as part of the handle. And I do love that, because it does allow the handle to sit flatter if you need to carry this as a crossbody. And of course, that is the D-rings on either side, like I love it, for the crossbody. And that is the zipper pull. And as you guys can see, it does say Michael Kors on that zipper pull as well. Now, one of the things that I love about this Boston style duffel bag is how the zippers go down on both sides, which allows for this bag to have a nice wide opening, guys. And I love that about this bag. So nice wide opening. And as you guys can see, she doesn't have any feet on the bottom. I kind of really wish that Michael Kors would put the feet on the bottom of their satchel bags. Because some of them I think do have them and some don't. It just depends on the, I guess the size or the silhouette you get may or may not have feet on the bottom. So here is the crossbody. Right, so she's the same color as the bag. And the scrap on it is not too skinny, but I would have liked it to be a little bit wider. This is a 2-part. and it is adjustable, so this can be worn as a crossbody, and it can also be worn as a shoulder or short shoulder. Now, of course, I prefer wearing mine as a short shoulder, and you can thread it in, but these D-rings on the side are smaller than what I'm used to on my Dooney and Burke satchels, so it is a little bit harder to do it on the Michael Kors. You kind of got to loosen up the leather on the crossbody so that you can kind of bend it if you can, but in the beginning it's going to be really, really, really hard, y'all. All right, y'all, so let's take a dive in the interior. That is what it looks like. It has that tan lining in the inside. It also has the Michael Kors leather patch on that back wall. And you also get a zipper compartment back there as well too. And that is the zipper pocket. And it just has the care card back there as well as the tag for the bag. And I will bring that up closer if anybody wants to see the tag for the bag. It does say Grayson, medium duffel satchel in leather, and the color is honey wheat, y'all. Now, I did pick this bag up for just a little over $100 because I did get it on the sale. And I gotta say, I absolutely love this bag. She is gorgeous, and like I said, I definitely wanted this once I saw the honey wheat color, because it's one of those colors that I don't have a whole lot of yellow or golden color bags in my collection, and especially in a satchel. So I definitely wanted a yellow color satchel, especially being that Dooney has yet to bring us out one, or even Coach when it comes to the ruins. So once I saw that Michael Kors gave us one, I was like, yep, let me go ahead and add her to my collection. And I am so glad that I did, y'all. This pebbled leather, it feels so good, y'all. Like, I just love the way that Michael Kors pebbled leather feels. Now, she is pebbled leather on the front, the back, and the sides. But on the bottom, she does have a nice smooth bottom here as well. So I love that, guys. So let me go ahead and grab my large city tool so we can kind of compare the colors. All right, guys, so I did pull out my large Coach city tool, and this is just what the colors look side by side. Y'all let me know, because they almost look spot on. I will say the Michael Kors may be like not even a whole shade difference in color when it comes to the Coach. Like, they almost look exactly the same to me. I think the Coach may be like just a teensy bit more on the yellow side. But y'all let me know what y'all think. I don't know. It almost looks the same to me. But if it is a different shade, it's not by much. So let me put the SLGs up to the large Coach City Tote and see if you could tell a difference that way. I can't. I can't really see a difference, y'all. Y'all let me know down in the comments, because it almost looks like the same exact color. The Coach Large City Tote is in the color Honeycomb, and the Michael Kors Accessories and Grayson is in the color Honey Wheat. So y'all let me know if y'all can tell a difference, because your girl can't. Like, it really looks spot on to me, and that'll work out perfect because I have been on the hunt for some SLGs to match this bag. And so now that I have the Michael Kors Honey Wheat and the wallet and the wristlet, I'm definitely going to be pairing it with this large Coach City Tote. So I absolutely love that. And Michael Kors just always does it for me when it comes to summertime, when it comes to picking up bright colored bags. They always do it for me because they're always giving us the bright colors, y'all. I could definitely count on them to give me some bright color bags to rock during the spring and the summertime. They definitely don't fail in that department, for sure, y'all. All right, guys, so that is another one of my birthday bags from Me to Me for the month of July. I did do a lot of shopping in the month of July for my birthday. I normally do. Alright guys, so if you stuck with your girl this far, please make sure to go ahead and drop me some green hearts down below to let me know you watched the video to the end. Also, let me know your thoughts on this Grayson and this gorgeous honey wheat color. And also guys, let me know if you have any Graysons in your collection, whether it's the new generation or the older generation Grayson. If you stuck with me this far and you are new here, or you have been dropping by a few times, but for some reason you haven't yet clicked that subscribe button, please go ahead and do so. It's absolutely free to you. Make sure to share this video as well as hype this video up. And also, guys, don't forget to click that bell. That way you're always notified every time I upload new content. Don't forget to check out my latest video, which was my I Love Dooney unboxing. That was another birthday unboxing. Just in case you guys have not seen that video, I will make sure to try to leave it linked down below. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.